Hello everyone, I am Ramon. Welcome back to Ramon at Home. I'm so excited you're here today because on today's video, we're gonna go shopping around our home since we are still quarantined. I encourage you to shop around your home for things that you may already have to redecorate an area. I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months ago, I told you that I painted some accent walls. This blue wall is one of them. This is right as you walk into our home on our entryway. So I have this long table that I found at a local thrift store, and that's where I put my collection of books. So today I'm gonna go around the house shopping around for items that we may have somewhere where not being used, and I'm going to redecorate this whole entryway. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for future decorating and DIY ideas, and don't forget to turn the notification bell on so you're notified about every single update. All right, you guys, let's get started. All right, so the very first item I'm gonna add to my new area is gonna be this fabulous lamp that I had in a spare bedroom that was not being used. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out here because if you guys been following the channel, you know that I am crazy over blue and white. So that's kind of the theme that I want to do around here in this area. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and just go ahead and make sure that your seam of your lamp goes all the way to the back so it's not seen when you first walk in. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this lamp right here into this stack of books to continue the book theme right here. And I have another stack of books right here for our next item. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. Well, if you've been following this channel for any period of time, you know that I love to collect boxes. And I had this box and a bookcase in another room. And this box means a lot to me. It is really old. It needs to be put back together. But this box actually was from my grandma. My grandma used to have a boutique store. And this, back in the day when I was a child, this is where she used to put the money. You know, when people would come and make payments, this was like her money drawer. And so still has the name of the store up here, and it has her name and the phone number, and it says, do not take the money out, please. So one day my grandma was cleaning her house, and I saw it and I asked if I could have it because I collect boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and use this as a riser to put this fabulous floral arrangement that I show you guys how to make in one of my last videos. If you have not seen how I made this monochromatic in blue and white container, I'm gonna link it up right now so you guys can check it out. It is super easy and very cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this guy right here. Make sure that it's very centered. Perfect. I really love the blue and white with the wall and the lamp. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick floral arrangement on this side from stems that I already had in my garage. Let me get all of that ready and I'll be right back with you. All right, everyone, so I had all of these stems in a box in my garage, and I was saving them for a wreath that I'm gonna show you guys how to make during the fall season. But while that happens, I really love this particular stem right here. It has some really pretty berries, and we're gonna do something a little bit on the dramatic side. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is lay him down. I really want to encourage you, if you have an entry area, I love the way a dramatic bouquet looks like. And all you have to do is grab some of these stems, give them a bend that make them look a little bit more natural because no stem grows like that on a tree. So just go ahead and give them a little bit of a bend and then start crisscrossing them. Now I do want to explain right here where your flower or your foliage starts to grow, that's where you want the rim of the mouth. You don't want this foliage to go under the container. So I like to go ahead and add some of these. And by crisscrossing them on the container, it really starts to hang on to the stems like this. And that's what you want, and that's what's gonna secure them. But I always like to just give them a little bit of a fluff. That way they look a little bit more natural, like that. I absolutely love this. These are my favorite foliage, and like I said, I'm saving them to show you guys how to make a massive, massive wreath for fall that I can now wait to show you. And if you are enjoying these videos during quarantine, be sure to leave me a comment down below. I cannot wait to read your comments. So also want to let you know that our next video is going to be a collaboration with my friend Olivia from Olivia's Romantic Home and Rebecca from Style My Sweets. I am super excited about this video coming up. You guys will have to come and check it out, and also go to those ladies' channels. If you don't follow Olivia from Olivia's Romantic Home, and Rebecca from Style My Sweets. I really recommend you head on over and follow them because our next video, our collaboration, is going to be so much fun. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just add a few more. And actually, you know what? I'm going to leave these two out because I do have these two branches that are like a curly willow, and I like to add those in the middle to create a little bit of height. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this one right here and just let it spill forward, and this, I'm gonna make sure that this one spills backwards like that. And then you wanna go ahead and add one straight up right here, right in the middle to fill in between them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add this guy right here. Let's see over here. This could also be done with natural foliage. If you have any trees outside, go ahead and cut some clippings and you could do this type of arrangement. I absolutely love it. I just like it to spill forward. It's just a few foliages. Let me get our last item and I'll be right back with you. All right, you guys, so I had these candles sitting on my dining table. So I just brought them over here to create symmetry and balance. So what I like to do is I just add a little coaster and I put it down like this. And I'm gonna do one on each side. These are the battery operated LED candles. They are on a timer, so they will turn on every day at 6 o'clock and it stays on till 10 o'clock. So I just like to add them like this. And then to finish it off, I just like to add a hurricane to make it even more beefier and a little bit more substantial looking. And just like that, we have a beautiful entryway table that was designed with all items that we already had around the house. And this time of the year with the quarantine going on, well, we have nothing but time to play with our display. So I really encourage you, if you guys enjoy the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share with a friend. If you know any friends that would like to enjoy more decorating ideas, go ahead and invite them to come and join us. And like I said, don't miss next video. There's going to be the collaboration with Olivia and Rebecca. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.